Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best and most reliable reviews of the latest tech. Today, we're talking about what is arguably one of the best GeForce RTX 3070 graphics cards on the market, the EVGA GeForce RTX 3070 FTW3 Ultra Gaming. This powerhouse is built for gamers and creators alike, offering top-tier performance and stunning visuals. So, if you're looking to upgrade your rig, this might just be the GPU you need. The EVGA GeForce RTX 3070 FTW3 Ultra Gaming is powered by NVIDIA's Ampere architecture, which ensures you're getting exceptional ray tracing performance and AI-driven graphics. Whether you're gaming at 1440p or even pushing 4K resolution, this card delivers. With 8GB of GDDR6 memory, you'll have more than enough power to run the most demanding games and applications. One of the standout features of this card is the real boost clock of 1815 MHz. This means you'll experience faster and smoother gameplay, even in the most graphic-intensive moments. It also supports real-time ray tracing, allowing you to experience hyper-realistic lighting and reflections that truly bring your games and content to life. The EVGA RTX 3070 FTW3 comes equipped with ICX3 technology, which gives it a powerful cooling system. With advanced thermal monitoring and custom tuning to ensure your GPU stays cool, even during extended gaming sessions. EVGA's ICX3 thermal technology also ensures better heat dissipation with a metal backplate that not only looks sleek but improves airflow, making the entire unit run cooler and more efficiently. What about aesthetics? Well, this card doesn't just perform great, it looks incredible too. The adjustable ARGB LED lighting adds a touch of personal flair to your setup, giving you the option to customize the lighting to match your build. Whether you prefer a subtle glow or something more vibrant, you can tailor it to your preferences. In terms of connectivity, the EVGA GeForce RTX 3070 FTW3 Ultra Gaming comes with multiple outputs, including HDMI and DisplayPort, which offer versatility for connecting to various displays. If you're using multiple monitors or need the best 4K experience, this card has got you covered. It's worth mentioning that this version of the RTX 3070 is an LHR model, meaning it has limited hash rate performance for mining. However, that doesn't take away from its performance in gaming and creative workloads, which is where this card really shines. Whether you're a professional streamer, a gamer looking for next-gen performance, or someone who does content creation on the side, this card is built to deliver. The EVGA GeForce RTX 3070 FTW3 Ultra Gaming is a true powerhouse with excellent performance, innovative cooling, stunning visuals, and a sleek design that will make your build stand out. That wraps up our review of the EVGA GeForce RTX 3070 FTW3 Ultra Gaming. If you're looking for one of the best GeForce RTX 3070 options out there, this is a great choice to consider. Be sure to check it out, and let us know in the comments what your favorite feature is. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews right here on Product Critique.